Can you wash a car without water? Let's find out. So before we get the video started, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also like the video, it helps out the channel so much. And also hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. I do 3 videos a week currently, so yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. So let's get right into it. Can you wash a car without water?
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Yes and no. If a car is very, very muddy, been contaminants on it, you're not going to be able to get that out without water. But for cars that are not in such a bad condition to where, you know, they may get washed once every 2 weeks, maybe even once a month, and don't have a lot of dirt or, you know, things that are really stuck to the paint. So yeah, you can wash a car without water, and what I use is this right here. This spray bottle I got from Harbor Freight, but inside of this is EcoSmart, made by Chemical Guys. It's a waterless solution, and it also includes a little bit of wax inside of it. So what you do is you spray down the car, you wait about 15 seconds to let the solution get into the paint, underneath the dirt, lifts it up, and then you get a microfiber cloth and you wipe it up. But yeah, so today I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this Volkswagen GLI, and I'll give you guys a before and after just to show you guys, you know, how effective this solution is. So I just finished the wash on the outside for this car. It took about 45 minutes just because, you know, with filming, it's a little bit longer. But yeah, it came out really good. As you could tell from the before and after images that it works, you know. And I know that this is an actual business and that waterless washes work because after I finished and I just showed her her car, she hired me to do her sister's car. So, you know, if the car didn't come out nice and it didn't look clean, why would she hire me to do her sister's car? So I know, I guess they say the proof is in the pudding, or something about pudding and proof.
Because it's made with real pudding.
Yeah, let's go ahead and talk about the inside. I'm not gonna film what I do in the inside. I'll just show you guys what I use, just because, you know, the whole point of it is waterless wash. So this is what I use to vacuum in the inside. I use the rigid shop vac. For power, I use this Jackery battery here. So before I vacuum the carpet, I use this drill right here to agitate the dirt. It really works wonders, you know, gets the dirt from underneath, and it just really makes the carpet a lot easier to vacuum. And then for the inside, I'm using this all-purpose cleaner here. I think it's P&S, and obviously some microfiber towels just to wipe everything down. And real quick, I want to make a side note. I am by no means a detailer. I know I triggered a lot of people in some of my other videos. I'm super upfront about it. I do car washes, maintenance washes. I don't know much about paint correction and all that crazy stuff that, you know, you see other YouTubers do. Mine is very simple. I will clean the outside of your car and I will vacuum and wipe down the inside. Maybe clean a stain here and there on the carpet or on a seat, but I'm not doing any crazy detailing. Again, I am not a detailer. Sorry if I triggered anyone, but I do a car wash, mobile car wash, all right? So I'm glad we got that out of the way. So after every single wash, I like to leave 2 of these mints here. I got these from Amazon, link in the description. And I like to leave a business card so they can have a reminder. Next time the car gets dirty, they'll hit me up. And a couple sprays of air freshener. Customer testimonial time.
Sorry for the footage in advance. Really shitty. It's really hot outside and Andrew's a little tired. Drew. Drew is actually short for Andrew.
All right, so I'm here with Gloria. I just finished up on her car. So what did you think?
Pretty wonderful, really clean, very detailed, super affordable, and just really good to speak to and ask questions about anything. Really perfect and amazing work.
I appreciate that. Yeah, so yeah, when you first found out it was a waterless wash, you were curious, right?
Yeah.
You had never heard of it?
I've never heard of it. It's the first time I witnessed it. Never heard of it. Really good and super amazing work. It's no water spots at all.
Okay, cool. So I just wanted you guys to see, you know, she's a customer and the waterless wash is actually, it works. If it didn't work, she wouldn't have said that she actually liked the wash. So there's proof that, you know, it works. So before I sign off, I just want to recap. Yes, you can wash a car without water. All you need is the right tools. So if you want to get started and you don't have the tools, I'm going to leave the links to buy everything I use in the description. So I'm talking from the solution to a spray bottle, all the way to the microfiber towels, even the generator and the vacuum if you need it. You don't need to spend money on a van. You don't need a truck. You don't need a big giant water tank. You don't need to fill up the water tank with a bunch of water or any of that stuff. You just need some simple tools, a vehicle, and you can get started. And I highly recommend you buy the supplies and you start on your own car, do your family's car for free, whatever you have to do to get started, and then actually get out there and start, you know, washing other people's cars and getting started. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one.